Hello and welcome, and in this video I am going to be unboxing the HP DeskJet 2331 all-in-one color inkjet printer. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. Don't go by the condition of the box. I know it's a little more damaged, but the box is meant to protect the printer inside. So as long as the printer inside stays safe, it's fine. So let's just go ahead and unbox this and get this out of here. So it's an all-in-one printer, which means that it can, apart from printing, it can also copy documents, and you can also scan documents. So it's a printer, it's a copier, and it's a scanner. So that's what the all-in-one means. As soon as you open it up, as you can see right on the top, there is this document that tells you what you need to do, how to set it up. We'll show you that in a separate video, how to actually set this up. Let's keep this to the side for now. You get a power cable. This is the power cable that comes. You also get a USB cable, which is right here. This is the USB cable. This is what you would use. This end would go into your printer. This end would go into your laptop or your PC. You can connect to print. You get two cartridges that come. These are the setup cartridges. This is the setup tricolor cartridge, and this is the setup black cartridge. So you get these two cartridges in the box. I'll keep them aside. What else you get? And you get some documents. So there are a lot of documents. There's a guide. Check that out. Put that to the side. And let's get onto the printer itself. So it comes very nicely packaged, as you can see. I'll just take it out. What I'll do is let me actually lay it down flat, since it'll be easier to sort of slide it out. So sliding it out. There you go. That's the HP DeskJet. It's protected by thermocol on the sides, which I'll just remove. Remove that. And once that's actually removed, as you can see, the printer itself is wrapped very nicely. It's completely wrapped in plastic. So don't worry if this is dirty. As long as, again, like I said, the printer itself, all of this is meant to basically protect the printer. So let me just go ahead and tear the plastic protecting the printer. Okay. All right. Now, all of that plastic is now gone, and that is the printer itself. So I'll just let you look at it. That's the printer. Fairly heavy, fairly bulky. Obviously it's an all-in-one, so it will print, scan, and do everything else. So like I mentioned, in the box of this printer, you get the printer, you get two cartridges. They're both setup cartridges. There's a black and there's a tricolor setup cartridge. I'll put those off to the side. You get a USB cable to connect to your laptop or PC for when you actually want to print, and you get a power cable. Of course, the power cable would go in the back, the USB cable goes in there, the power cable goes in at the bottom right there. Okay, and you get a bunch of documents. So in the box there's a guide for the HP DeskJet 2300 all-in-one printer series. So you get these documents. This is the most important. This is right on top. This tells you how to actually set it up. We'll just show that to you in a different video. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the HP 2331 all-in-one inkjet color printer. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.